If you're a business owner, then I know how frustrating it is at times to manage all of your bills. Not only that, but how limited it is to make payments, especially if your cash flow isn't there just yet. But don't worry, I'm here to help you simplify that issue totally easy. In today's lesson, I'm gonna show you how you can manage your bill payments super easy with the software I currently use right now. So enough rambling, let's get into the details and let's dive in. All right guys, and in today's lesson, I'm bringing you Melio. They're actually a game changer that allows small business owners to pay bills with a credit card. And you and I both know that's extremely rare in this profession we call business. Even if the vendor does not allow credit card payments, you can still make the payments and everybody is still going to be happy. Let me explain. I'm gonna explain later on in this video, so make sure you stay to the end, all right? They help all business owners with flexible payments and keep track of all of those agonizing bills. And I promise you this is gonna be something that you actually wanna take advantage of. If you find it helpful and you think that this is gonna work for you, I have a link in the description where you can sign up super easy. Melio has two ways you pay business bills, which are bank transfers and the next thing being, of course, credit cards. Another dope part is there is no monthly setup fees and no fees for your bank transfers. So in that way, they're pretty straightforward. Now, you know I'm gonna also always tell you the real. I'm never gonna just fluff anything up. The only way you can get an actual fee on your actual payments is a 2.9% fee on the payments via credit card, expediting a check payment, and international fees, which both of those are actually $20. So you know, I'm always gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna tell you the great things, but I'm not gonna hide anything from you. But 2.9% is not bad at all, because I know other actual institutions that charge way more than that. Now, even though everything is about the credit card payments, and it is a 2.9% fee, but don't forget that 2.9% fee is tax deductible. Not only that, think of how dope it would be to use your credit card to actually make that payment. So let's just say you have a payment that's coming in on another day, but you don't have it. You can float that actual payment over onto your credit card. So whenever you do get that payment, you can make the payment and pay it off on your credit card. So let's say it's due on the 1st. You don't have it on the 1st, you have it on the 5th. But your statement closing date on your credit card isn't until the 21st. You can float that all the way to the 21st if you wanted to. Or you can just pay it on the 5th like the actual responsible adult that you are. It's giving you a grace period of payments. Super simple, super easy. Even when you send a payment request to your customers using Melio, they actually even show you when the customer actually opened the payment request, when they paid it, and even tells you how they made the payment. Also, Melio doesn't require your vendors to be a customer or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to tell them, hey, download this app, so blah, 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 blah. You don't have to worry about that. Melio got you covered, I'm telling you. And in the system, it's pretty simple when adding a bill. It gives you actually 3 ways to make the payment. The first way being actually adding it manually. Second being uploading the bill so you can scan it. Or the third being syncing your Quickbooks and allowing your data to come through that way. So these 3 ways are pretty beneficial. And if you want to do it the old school way, doing it manual, scanning it, or syncing your actual Quickbooks, either way, they're just trying to make it super easy for you. Now, with me, I just set up my Quickbooks, but I know a few people, I have a few business colleagues that actually do it where they scan it. I haven't met anybody that does it manually. Another dope feature is customers can also pay you via credit card. So if you have a bank account set up, which I'm pretty sure you are, you can allow them to even pay the 2.9 fee, or you have the option to actually pay it yourself. So either way, how you feel with that customer, how comfortable you feel, you make them pay it, or you can do them a favor and you pay it. So either way it goes, it can work out in your favor. And even with invoices, you can upload them manually, sync your accounting software, again, QuickBooks or anything like that, or you can share your customized pay button. So if you have an actual button that you set up through the software, you can always just send that to the customer and they can just pay it that way. Again, when it comes to actual softwares and things of that nature, I like to go out and use stuff that I use myself and also things that are super simple for my actual viewers. Nothing that makes you kind of scratch your head and be like, okay, what am I doing here? And it doesn't stop there. You can also allow access for others to use your Melio account and only allow them specific access on what they can do. such as accepting or denying invoices and even more. So if you have an accountant or you have an actual worker and let's say you can't get to it and they have to do something, you can actually give them an actual access, but only give them specific access. So you never have to worry about them doing anything incorrectly or trying to get over on you because they see something or anything of that nature. No, Melio got you covered even in the security area. Only thing that you have to do is make sure that you set them up correctly. Don't give them your actual full access. When it comes to the kind of payments you can make with Melio, of course, it must be business to business. There's no personal or anything like that. No, they're not rocking with that. They don't want commingling expenses. And for my people out there that have multiple businesses and you still want to use Melio, they have a multi-business dashboard. So with Melio, it can stop you from being in the prehistoric times, having you keep invoices in folders or even freestyling everything. So again, click the link in my bio so you can get started with Melio. Let them make everything so much more simpler for you, all right? They are helping me, so I just wanted to help you guys. I got Melio a while ago and they actually reached out to me, so I wanted to help my viewers to actually get on with them as well. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go structure your business bills the correct way, all right? And until next time.